come on in. I'll give you just a minute to come in. Hello, hello. Come on in. Thank you, thank you. I absolutely love the hair. I think it looks great. Alright, so we're going to do an early morning today. I don't know, we might do another one tonight. We'll see how it's going. Just had a few minutes through the day and thought I would just do it and get it done. Alright, so this is the transfer we're going to do. 1 star. So this is 1 child, 1 star, 1 night. I picked out a couple of chalk paste colors. I'm going to use shimmering silver. And I'm going to use black velvet. I think those look really good. And I have chose our 9x12 box frame surface. So let's get started. In case you don't know, all of our transfers come in a cellophane wrapper. And on the back it has the use and care instructions, how to take care of it. So be sure you check those out when you get your transfers. And in case you don't know who I am Lisa. I am an independent Chalk Couture designer and master mentor. I absolutely love this job. It didn't take me no time once I got started to start building a business. It was amazing. Oh, come on. Pop it. Alright, so what we do is you take the silkscreen transfer off, and they are reusable up to 8 to 12 times if taken care of properly. Alright, so, and this is our fuzzing towel, which is, mine's gone dirty, but, alright, that side is to dry on, this side right here, okay, flip it over, and this side with the tag is the fuzzing side. So, I think I've used this one, I need to really wash it. Alright, hey Michelle, hey Bonnie! Ooh, this is really sticky. How's it going, Bonnie? You're at the event today, right? Ooh, it's really sticky still. Alright. And as usual, you know, you got to water it down. Oh, I got some. No, not many. I got some. It may take a minute. Lots of people, no sales yet. Really? It's still early though, isn't it? I would say you're probably not going to see a lot of people until, I don't know, probably this afternoon. How long is it going today? No problem. I'm probably going to do it again later. I'm just fiddling around this morning. Got to get some things ready for my event next weekend. Alright. It's at Fremont School. I have one, and then I have one in Joplin on Saturday. I've never been to Fremont, so that will, I mean to Joplin, that will probably be a new adventure for me. It's alright though. I'm kind of excited. Oh no, I got that one. Oh well. Maybe nobody will notice. Okay. Working kind of fast because I don't want this to dry in there. Well, do I not have nothing else to start with? Probably should check it out before I come in here. Of course not. And no stir stick to be seen. It's alright. Compromise when you don't have what you need. I do. Oh, they just have, why are they on the floor? Hey, Ginger. Oh, awesome. I've used so many stir sticks in the last few days that I can't even think about it. Honestly, I need to go in there and clean them. Probably should have done that. All right. And it's still stuck. It's all right. I'll put it back on there in a few minutes. We'll put it back on there in a few minutes. There it is. Very cute. Cute, cute. So again, that is the 9x12 box frame, the 1-star silkscreen transfer, the Chalkology paste that is black, and shimmering silver. So if you have any questions or you need anything, let me know. If you want to join my team, I'd love for you to have to. And if you're watching from YouTube, please leave me a subscribe or a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.